So we are trying to working on operators. The first one, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. The second one, logical operators. Logical operators. And the third one, relational operators. Relational operators. The fourth one, assignment operator. Assignment operator. And fifth one, increment decrement operators. Increment decrement operators. And sixth one, special operators. Special operators. Okay, let me try to write. Yesterday we discussed about arithmetic operators. So what are the different kind of arithmetic operators we already discussed so far? In arithmetic operators, we have something like addition. Something like addition. Addition is plus. One more thing is subtraction. Subtraction is minus. Multiplication. Multiplication star. Division is a slash. And one more thing is modulo division or floor division. One more thing is floor division. We'll discuss about the floor division. Floor division is double slash. And one more thing is modulo division. So modulo division is percentile. And one more thing is power. Power operator is double star. Okay. So let us try to discuss about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulo division, and power. So what about addition? Addition is plus. Subtraction is minus. Multiplication is something like a star. Division is something like a slash. And floor division is something like a double slash. A modulo division is something like a percentile. And power is something like a double star. Okay, so today what I want to do is I will create in your drive. In your drive, I already created one drive for you guys. So let me try to create a Jupyter Notebook cloud file. We'll go with the cloud now. I'll try to create a cloud file now. Okay, so this is the cloud I just opened here. And Colab, Google Colab notebooks. Let me create a Google Colab. Okay, so this Colab file should be saved in our drive. So let me change the drive here. So here drive I'm changing to VHS carriers. So into the VHS carriers, into the Google Drive, I am creating a new notebook. Into the Google Drive, I am creating new notebook. I will share all the drive files today. New notebook I am trying to creating now. So I am trying to creating a new notebook into the Google Collaboratory, Google Drive. Okay, so let me create a okay, so file save as new notebook in drive. Okay, let me try to provide into the drive new notebook. So sorry, this is something is going to be happening. Let's do one thing. So let's save the file. I will create the file. Okay, save a copy in the drive. That is okay. Okay, file new notebook. So why? Because instead of Visual Studio Code, this IPynib Jupyter Notebook file is good actually. So it is easy to understand and save copy into the Google Drive. I want to change the Google Drive here. VHS carriers. Okay, I will create a new thing code file, save, copy into the drive. Okay. So into the VHS carriers, it is going to be saving into that particular drive. It is going to be saving, and I'm trying to creating the new one. So let me try to do something here. Okay. So start something. Just go with the code. Rename, and this is operators. Operators. Okay. For the operators, I am taking the code now. So let me try to take the operators here. Operators. So everybody can able to see my screen. My screen is visible, everyone. My screen is visible, everyone. My screen is visible, everyone. Operators. Okay. So try to execute it. Yes, fine. Okay. Anita, Bhavani, Dayashala, Manogna, Nana Rao, and Yashasvi. I am trying to working on collaboratory. So this system is not have that much space, and few days a new system is coming. No worries about it. And I'm trying to creating all the files, all the Python files in the collaboratory now. This collaboratory file is going to be saving into our Google Drive, and I will share the file also with everybody. No worries. Okay, fine. I want to give the code now. Operators. The first of all, I want to go with arithmetic operators. So yesterday we discussed something like 130 plus 45. What is 130 plus 45 is? It is something like 175. It is something like 175. So this is something like addition. This is something like addition, addition operator. And one more thing, I want to go with 130 minus 45. 130 minus 45, that is something like a subtraction. Subtraction is you are removing the 45 from the 130. And one more thing, I am taking the multiplication 130 into 34. 130 into 34. So that is something like 4420. This is something like multiplication. This is something like multiplication. Then finally, I want to go with 120 by 6. I am just giving the division. So this is something like division. So what is happening with the division? Division is giving the output as 20.0. 20.0 is the division. Let me try to go with the modulo division. So what is the modulo division? Let me try to give the 145. Sorry, a floor division. I'm trying to working with the floor division now. So this is something like 7. Okay. So what is the floor division here? Floor division is 20. Floor division is 20. But normal division, when you go with the normal division is single slash. When you provide the normal division, that is something like 20 point, some values are going to be coming. 20.71428571428575. Big number is coming after the decimal. Big number is coming after the decimal. But this is the normal division, but this is the floor division. This is the floor division. Okay. Floor division. This is the floor division. This is the normal division. This is the normal division. Let's go. Let's go with the remainder value. I want to see the remainder value 123 percentile 5. 123 percentile 5. When I say 123 percentile 5, remainder is 3. So why 3 is coming here? Why 3 is coming here? Anita, Bhavani, Dayashala, Manogna, Nana Rao, Nitin, Yashasvi, and Sanat Kumar. Why this 3 is coming here? Why? Because of this is 123, and I am going to be dividing this 123 by 5. So 5 goes, 5 twos are 10, and automatically we are having the remainder 2 and 3 here, and 5 twos are, sorry, 5 fours are 5 fours are 20, and what is the remainder now? So this is 24. Okay, what is the remainder now? Remainder is 3. So you are getting the output as remainder. You are getting output is remainder. Remainder is the output. Remainder is the output. That is actually the final thing. That is a modulus value. Remainder. Okay, one more operator, power operator. What is the power operator? For example, 2 double star 5. 2 double star 5. What is the 2 double star 5 here is? 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. So power operator. Power operator is working like this. Power operator is working like this. Yes. So let us try to give a big number. I'm trying to giving a big number now. Just give the code. And I'm trying to giving the big number 30 to the power of 5. 34 to the power of 5. 34 to the power of 5 is a big number. Yes. Okay. 10 to the power of 4. 10 to the power of 4 is the big number. Yes. It is 10,000. So in this way, you can work with arithmetic operators. And one more way of working with arithmetic operators. So combination of arithmetic operators. This is the important topic. Combination of arithmetic operators. This is a combination of arithmetic operators, complex arithmetic operators. It means so you have some concept called BODMAS rule. You have some concept called BODMAS rule. Everybody know about the BODMAS rule. So B means brackets. B means brackets. Brackets are operating first. After that, O means opponent value. Opponent value is going to be working next. Opponent value is going to be working next. Opponent. And the third one is BOD. D is something like division. Division is the next priority for the operation. And after that, M nothing but multiplication. Multiplication. Multiplication is the next priority. After that, A is the addition. Addition is the next priority. At the last, S is the subtraction. Subtraction is the last priority of the operations. So this BODMAS rule, everybody know, I think so. This BODMAS rule, everybody know from your 8th standard, 9th standard, or 7th standard. BODMAS rule, everybody know BODMAS rules. Everybody know about this BODMAS rules. What these BODMAS rules are? Brackets are working first. Brackets are working first. After that, opponents are working. After that, division is working. After that, multiplication is working. After that, subtraction is working. After that, addition is working. After that, subtraction is working. Okay, let me try to give the one small code. So you people can tell me the answers with this. You people can tell me the answers for this. Okay, let me give the small numbers. 3 into 5 minus 1. What is the output of this? Anybody? What is the output of this? This is the kind of interview question. When you are writing the technical interview, when you are attempting the technical interview, these kind of questions will come. There are multiple options, A, B, C, D coming in. So in that, what is the answer for this, everybody? What is the answer for this? Okay, how the operator is working? 14. So how 14 is coming here? How 14 is coming? First operator priority. We have two operators here. We have two of none are out. 124 is wrong answer. 124 is wrong answer. So what is the right answer is? So in this particular BODMAS rule, we have the multiplication and subtraction. Subtraction will not work first. Subtraction will not work first. Only multiplication is working first. Why? Because multiplication is the first priority. So finally output will be 14. How 14 is coming, I will explain here. 3 into 5 is working first. Sorry, 3 into 5. Yeah, 3 into 5. What is the 3 into 5, guys? 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. And finally, immediately what is happening? 15 minus 1. 15 minus 1 is something like 14. The output is 14. Exactly. So let us try to execute one more thing. So the same thing I'm trying to working here. Yeah. 10 or 2 or 20. 20 minus 3 into 4 divided by 6 or divided by 2. So anybody give me the answer? Anybody give me the answer? The answer is basically 14. How the answer is 14? How the answer is 14? How this is working? How this is working? This is 14, not 34 nana. This is 14. How 14 is coming? Basically, you are thinking like 20 minus 3 is 17. 17 fours are something, and that is dividing by 2. You're actually calculating like that, but it is not calculating like that. How it is calculating? In these operators, division is the first priority. In these operators, division is the first priority. After the division, it will go for the multiplication. After the multiplication, it will go for the subtraction. In that way, yes, 20 minus 6, it is actually 40. Right. So you can please work on multiple kind of operations like this. Okay. So for example, I'm going with 4 plus 5 into 6 minus 3. So tell me the answer for this. Tell me the answer for this. Anybody? 4 plus 5 into 6 minus 3. So how the answer is? Brackets are executing first. 4 plus 5, 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 into 3 is 27. Yes, exactly. Yashashvi. 27 is the right answer. So in this way, you can work with arithmetic operators. Everybody got to understand how arithmetic operators are working? Let us go second one, logical operators. Yes, coming down, logical operators. So basically, logical operators are three things. Logical and logical are, logical not. Logical and logical are, logical not. Logical and logical are, logical not. So how many people know about the AND table, and how many people know about the R table, and how many people know about that NOT table? So I hope you people from the mathematics like 8th standard, 9th standard, AND table, R table, NOT table. How many people know about the AND table? How many people know about the R table? How many people know about the NOT table? What is the AND table? What is the OR table? What is the NOT table? Basic fundamentals. What is the AND table is? True and true. True and true. What is the true and true is? True. True and false. True and false. Yes, tell me true and false. Second question. True and false. False exactly. And false and true. False and true. False only. False and false. False and false. False only. So finally, what is the rule of the AND table? What is the rule of the AND table? If both statements are true, if both statements are true, then output is true. Then output is true. If both statements are true, then output is true. If any one of the statement is false, if any one of the statement is false, output is false. If any one of the statement is false, output is false. Exactly. So in this way, you have to remember the AND table. Now come to the R table. True or true. True or true. True or false. True. True or false. True. And false or false. False or false. False or false. False. So what is the R table here? Any one of the statement is true. Sorry. False or true. This is false or true. The third one is false or true. True. If any one of the statement is true, in the both statements, any one of the statement is true, automatically end of the statement is also true. Okay, so the final statement is if any one of the statement is true, end of the time output is true. If any one of the statement is true, finally output is true. Exactly. So that is the why reason. Here in these two statements, both are true. The first is true. Second is true. False and false are false. Okay, that is actually the R table rules and regulations. R table rules and regulations. So try to understand. Next, we can go with the not table. Not table is something like true is going to be false. Not true means false. Not false means true. Not false means okay. Not true. Not true means false. Not false means that's a very simple thing. Just reverse values. Exactly. So let me try to programmatically we see how these logical operators are working. In other programming languages, okay, let me try to compare with another programming languages. In other programming languages, okay, end operator is in other programming languages, end operator is something like this. End operator is this. In other programming languages, end operator is like this. But in Python, end operator is and only. In Python, end operator is and only. A and D and. In other programming languages, end operator is double and so sorry, what is the symbol? And symbol, ampersand symbol. What is this symbol called? In other programming languages, end operator is like this. But in Python programming language, end operator is and only. Or operator. Or operator, same thing. In other programming languages, or operator is something like different. But in Python, no. In other programming language, or operator is double pipe symbol. In other programming languages, or operator is double pipe symbol. So where is the pipe symbol in the laptop? I'm just searching now. Okay, so maybe this one. In other programming languages, or operator is like this. But in Python, or operator is R only. ORR. Okay, so here, not table. For not table, not operator is any other programming languages like Python. So not operator is like this only. Like this only. Okay, we can see programmatically how these things are going to be happening with. Okay, let me try to open the file, a code. Now we are trying to working with logical operators. Okay, so we try to work with the logical operators first. Okay, the first one, 2 greater than 3 and 4 less than 5. Tell me the statements. 2 greater than 3, true or false? True. 2 greater than 3, true or false? So what is the statement first of all? Just give me the comment. No, just give me the comment like 2 greater than 3. 2 greater than 3 is true or false? My question is simple question. 2 greater than 3, true or false? Sir, remember one point. So this is end operator. The first statement is 2 greater than 3 is false. False and true. What is a false and true? In end operator, with end operator, both statement, any one of the statements. So both statements should be true, then only true. Otherwise, it will be the false. Finally, it will be the false. Output should be false. So can you see the output of this? What is the output then? Finally, output is false. 2 greater than 3, it is false. 4 less than 5, it is true. False and true is false only. False and true is false only. Right. So I'm going with one more thing. So 34 less than 45 and 45 less than 56. Now tell me. First one is true and true and true. If both statements are true, final output will be true. Final output will be true. Why? Because of. Why? Because of. True and true. True only. If both statements are true, final output will be true only. Am I right? Okay, the next one. The next operator we can go with. 4 less than 6 or 67 less than 78. What is the output of this? Anybody guess? 4 less than 6. True. Or 67 less than 78. True. True or true is what? Actually true. Exactly true. Final output will be true only. Now one more. 56 less than 67 or 56 less than 67 or 78 less than 67. Okay, now tell me about this. Sir, this is OR operator. This is OR operator. First statement is true. True or 78 less than 67. This is false. True or false? True or false? This is true. Exactly. So in this way you can check with the logical operator. Logical operator is very, very important. Logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. What is the logical NOT is? Okay, so 4 not equal to something like, okay, not equal to 7. 4 not equal to 7. 4 not equal to 7. Yes or no? 4 not equal to 7. Yes, it is true. Okay, let me give 78. 78 not equal to 78. 78 not equal to 78. I am telling 78 not equal to 78. It is true or false? Sir, my statement is very simple. 78 not equal to 78. 78 not equal to 78 means it means false. Sir, what you are saying, it is 78 is actually equal to 78, but you are saying wrong, sir. Exactly. So this is false. Next I can go. Okay. So 10 not equal to 10. True or false? That is the string data. This is the integer data. String data, integer data. I am telling 10 not equal to 10. Yes, it is true. That 10 is string data. This 10 is string data. This 10 is integer data. Both are not true. Both are not true. Okay, let me go. One more thing. So 10 double equal to 10. Or I am saying 10 not equal to 10. 10 not equal to 10. When I say 10 not equal to 10, what is happening? That is string, this is string. Basically, both are true. Basically, both are true. Both are true means 10 is equal to 10. Okay, let me go. One more thing. So, 10 is 10. Tell me this. Tell me this. Oh my God, is operator is basically not there. Literally, it is not there. Syntactical error, but it is true basically. 10 is 10 only. Is operator. Is not operator, but I'm trying to working like it is actually asking me, please provide like double equal to. Okay. So 10 double equal to 10. 10 double equal to 10. When I say 10 double equal to 10, okay, this is the right statement basically. You can give the double quotes also. 10 double equal to 10. Yes, this is true. Yes, this is true. Finally, logical operators. How logical operators are working? Yes, Nasarao garu. Nanarao garu. Harita Bhavani, Manogna, Nanarao, Radha, Yashashvi, and Sanat Kumar. These are the logical operators. How the logical operators are working in Python. So you can do practice more and more examples. Without practicing, Python cannot be easy. Without practicing, Python cannot be easy. You have to practice more and more. Without practicing, Python is not that much easy, sir. So by seeing Python code, by executing Python code, you are watching something that is simple. But whenever you are trying to doing practicing, it will give you some complexity. So relational operators, basically relation is something like less than, greater than, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to kind of things. Or equal to. Equal to is basically, yeah, comparison. This is comparison operator. Yeah. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These are the relational operators. Relational operators. Relation. Just want to check with the relation between the two statements. Okay, let me go with the relational operators. Less than is checking like, okay. Now I'm going with the relational operators. Relational operators. Okay, so 2 greater than, sorry, 3 greater than 6 or 3 greater than 5. 3 greater than 5 is basically false. Okay, so let me go. 34 less than 56. That is true. Okay, so 34 less than or equal to 34. If less than is not working, equal to is working. So finally output will be true. Less than or equal to working. And 45 greater than or equal to 56. It is basically false. So in this way, you have to work with the relational operators. These are the different kind of relational operators which are going to be available in Python. So you can do practice relational operators. You can do practice relational operators. So that one more assignment operator is there. Assignment operator. Let me try to work with assignment operator. Assignment operator is only one operator, that is called equal to. Equal to is the assignment operator. Equal to is the assignment operator. For example, name is equal to Srinivas. Srinivas is the value which is going to be assigned into the name variable. Srinivas is the value which is assigned into the name variable. This is the assignment operator. Equal to is the assignment operator. Okay, so product name, product ID. Product ID is equal to 1001. Product ID is equal to 1001. So finally, I want to see the product ID, PRD underscore ID. PRD ID is 1001. That is assignment. Equal to is the assignment operator, remember. Only equal to is the assignment operator, remember. Double equal to is the comparison operator. Double equal to is the comparison operator. You will have comparison operator. Comparison. Comparison operator. One more comparison operator. So one comparison operator is something like double equal to. Double equal to is the comparison operator. I already told you 10 double equal to 10. This is basically true. Comparison operator. This is actually called comparison operator. I am comparing two things. That is comparison operator. So the session is going to be end. Please join class at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock web development I am starting. If anybody interested, you can join for the web development at 1 o'clock. Today I am taking the web development in the morning time only. Later I am not available. Please join for the web development now. Bye for now. Have a good day. We'll meet again. Yes. Thank you. You can join at 1 o'clock. Web development session.